Introducing Pro Writing Kit, the all-in-one solution to enhance your writing journey. Create social media posts, professional emails, marketing content, product descriptions, creative stories, and more in seconds using our convenient templates. Our team of AI chat experts, including a business coach, motivational coach, relationship coach, cybersecurity specialist, SEO specialist, job cover letter specialist, career counselor, social media influencer, legal advisor, investment manager, IT expert, and more, are ready to provide instant answers to any question you may have. Whether you're a marketer, professional, student, or content creator, Pro Writing Kit is designed to help you unleash your full writing potential. Sign up for a free account today at www.prowritingkit.com and unlock a world of possibilities. Easily upgrade to our premium features as you scale your writing endeavors. Experience the power of Pro Writing Kit and take your writing to new heights.